think from my perspective, I lived and breathed the challenges when it comes to being on the CDMO, leading our IT and tech op groups, and being asked by biotech companies with their emerging technologies to move faster. Not take 9 months to do a tech transfer, take 3 months. And then working with biotech companies that are providing their recipes, their product specs on when it comes to different forms of paper, Excel sheets, and asking the CDMO to establish a digital infrastructure to streamline that. And what often has happened and result is duplicative use of technology. I've worked with material handling groups, QC groups, manufacturing groups to have to enter data into 3, 4, or 5 different systems for the same thing. And then it just creates what as Brad's bringing is this just continue in the propagation of silos of data. And then the challenge on the CDMO is they need to provide that data to the biotech. They need to do their CMC and their analytics and their process analytics. They need to do their continuous process verification. And often the pain point for the biotech is that we can't see our data. How are we supposed to release it? How are we supposed to go all the way to infusion? And then the addition of now these ATMPs that are streamlining through the pipeline and access for patients to do this, it's creating a tremendous challenge and barrier. And it's important for the CDMOs and the biopharmas to create these partner networks and to look at modernizing their digital infrastructure, as well as through the use of platforms, new digital technologies, and leveraging partners and experts as well in the field. I mean, it's a true pain point. I mean, when you have to see, for example, a QC analyst receive a blood pack for let's say an apheresis, and they have to have a paper form, and then they have a digital system, they have a LIMS, then they have an MES, and they're entering in all the same data because there's this lack of integration. And then what about just the product contact and the amount of exposure? So it's a true challenge. The CDMOs really need to invest in creating resilient infrastructure and invest in technologies and drive a very much customer-centric experience through data sharing as well. So.